Yeah, it looks really scary. The company owns most of our private data. However, we shouldn't worry that much because the data is anonymized, which doesn't allow companies to directly target you. Therefore, the main goal is to give marketing for the right targeted people. The main problem is data leak from big databases. However, after a couple scandals, all websites provide new norms, new standards for data protection. And now the most interesting question. So the main question is, how much does a personalized profile cost for an advertisers? How much does your account cost? 100 rubles, a couple thousands. So to be fair, your personalized data costs between 15 and 50 rubles, which is less than $1. Your value depends whether you have a personalized car, personal private property. It helps to sell you the most specific products. If you're sick, the personalized data is more expensive. Do we actually have a chance to get our data back? When you pay to get rid of the advertisements. So basically you buy back your data. Therefore the company gets money from you, not from the advertisers. As we see that the personal data doesn't cost that much, however, it's still valuable if you analyze it correctly. Therefore, this data is called the new oil. So now we've found the main source of data creation in the internet, which data we can acquire from a person, and what does this data can tell about you. Now let's take a look at the real application. So how can we apply this data analysis in practice? So example number one, let's imagine that we're a game developer, a small company that provides games. So we lost a lot of audience after we have released new game. Luckily, we collected a lot of data. When does the user enter the game, what does he buy, and what does he do within our platform. So if we collect this data within a couple of months, we can analyze it and we can find the users that spent some time in the game and they got bored and leave. So therefore they have stopped using our platform, our app. You can estimate the duration, how long will the user use your platform, and what can we do about it. So we can offer special weapons, special features in the game which will help these users to stay in the game and play and have more enthusiasm. So the other example is a social media network. Now let's talk about a giant company that owns a social media platform. So the management decided to impose a new feature where you can post some short videos. But how can we estimate the popularity of this new function? We can evaluate the number of clicks that the user uses and then the time that he spends in this platform. If this new feature doesn't work very well, we can add commercial to draw some attention to this feature. Even more interesting example is the modern medicine. As we tap into the new epoch of the development of mobile healthcare, it allows us to collect more and more data regarding personal health, which can be diagnosis from doctors as the result. We can help a lot of medical workers if we can program an AI to perform these medical checkups. The most promising path is to diagnose cancer, because a person needs to study 8 years to find cancer features in the X-ray, and AI could do it within seconds. Algorithms have already shown better accuracy in comparison to humans.